All right, guys, next I'm going to show you how to do twilling. So if you look closely at this diagram, you can see that you go under, over two, under one, over two, under one, over two, under one, over two. And you continue that pattern throughout the piece. So I already have two types of knots on here. I have plain weaving and basket weaving. So just on top of this, I'm just gonna make another row. Now you guys are doing more complex patterns. You're doing, you know, different types of shapes and things like that. So I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but if I wanted to make different shapes, and especially if I'm doing something like twilling or basket weaving, and let's say I wanted something with 10 knots, I could stop at 10, then go back 8, then 6, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, to kind of make the shapes that I need to make. So that's an option for you guys too. I'm just showing how to go straight across. So again, you start by making that knot on the end, and you've got to stop where you, or you got to start where you stopped. I said the wrong thing. If you are beginning or ending in like the middle somewhere, you don't have to make these knots. This is just for the end, so it doesn't go off the page. So again, when you look at the twilling diagram, you see it goes 1 under, 2 over, 1 under, 2 over. And you continue that pattern across. Since I just did the basket weaving, you see that some of the strings are kind of coming together a little bit. That's totally normal. If you're putting something two together, they're going to be bound to kind of want to stay together. So it's good to break up the different types of knots so that your weaving doesn't become all the same. So I'm going to go 2, well actually I'm going to go 1 under, 2 over, 1 under. This one's a little bit trickier because you're not doing an even amount. For regular and basket weaving, it was very similar. And it was like symmetrical. It's very different for twilling. You're gonna go 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under. So you've really got to count your warp strings and make sure that you're going in the proper order. 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under. Again, I'm always pushing down my strings just real gently. 2 over, 1 under, 2 over, 1 under.